Staying connected with your team is more important than ever, especially if you're managing remote employees, field workers, or just trying to cut down on endless email threads. In this video, we research and compare the best internal communication tools that help you streamline chats, keep everyone on the same page, and collaborate without the chaos. Whether you're a small startup, a growing business, or a large enterprise, these platforms offer different ways to message, share updates, run meetings, and manage tasks, all in one place. So let's get started. Pumble. Imagine you're looking for an easy, all-in-one chat app for your team, something that works for a tiny startup or even a large enterprise. That's exactly what Pumble is. It's a team communication tool that feels familiar and straightforward to use. You can organize conversations into channels for specific topics or departments, and within those channels, you can branch off into threads to keep side discussions tidy and not clutter the main chat. If you need to speak privately, you've got direct messages for one-on-one or small group chats. You can even set a custom status to let others know if you're available, and you'll get notifications when someone mentions you or sends you something. But you can also fine-tune or mute those when you need to focus. When it comes to actually chatting, Pumble keeps things lively. You can react to messages with emoji, tag people with @mentions to grab their attention, and even use voice messages or video messages if typing feels too slow. For scheduling and flexibility, Pumble includes cool touches like scheduled messages. Let's say you have an idea late at night. You want to tell your team, but you don't want to ping them at 11 p.m. In Pumble, you can write the message now and schedule it to be sent in the morning when people are back online. This way, you don't forget and you also don't disturb anyone during off hours. Day to day, using Pumble feels comfortable. You can download the desktop app for Windows, Mac, or even Linux, use the mobile app on iOS or Android, or simply run it in a web browser without any installation. The apps sync up so you can start a conversation on your laptop and continue on your phone when you step away. And if real-time talk is needed, Pumble has you covered with built-in voice and video calls. At any moment, you can jump into a voice call or a face-to-face video call with a teammate right inside the app. Starting a call is super simple. There's usually a little phone or camera icon, you click it, and Pumble rings the other person or opens a meeting for everyone. No dialing codes or switching apps. It's all seamlessly integrated, so your chat and your calls are in one place. On the free tier, Pumble supports one-to-one calls, so you can call a colleague for free with no time limit. And if you upgrade to a paid plan, you unlock group calls and video conferences for the whole team. That means you could host your team's morning stand-up or a client meeting on Pumble without needing Zoom or anything else. The Pro plan even adds screen sharing, so during a video meeting, you can present slides or walk someone through your screen. With Pumble, if someone recalls something, you can simply hit search and find it in seconds because the search covers your entire history. This is awesome for teams working on long-term projects. You'll never lose those important decisions or files in the void. In Pumble, you can easily share files, images, and links in any chat, and they're all retained and searchable later. Basically, it acts as a persistent knowledge base of your conversations without you having to do anything extra. Now, Pumble is not just about features. It also takes security and data privacy very seriously. All your messages and files in Pumble are encrypted in transit and encrypted at rest on Pumble's servers. That means if someone somehow intercepted your data or accessed the servers, all they'd get is gibberish without the encryption keys. Pumble has also gone through rigorous internationally recognized standards for data security and information management, which basically confirms that Pumble follows strict procedures to keep your data safe. Pumble was built with a privacy-first mindset, even to the point that direct messages between users are private to those users, so admins can't just read your DMs on a whim. Let's talk a bit about integrations, because no app is an island these days. Out of the box, Pumble provides basic integrations with things like Google Calendar, so you can schedule meetings and send invites easily. There's also integration with email, and you can connect Pumble with over 5,000 apps using Zapier. Now, how does Pumble compare to other big names in team communication, like Slack, Microsoft Teams, Discord, or Google Chat? In short, Pumble combines the best parts of Slack's experience with friendlier pricing, fewer limitations, and a more business-oriented focus than Discord or Google Chat. It's also simpler than Microsoft Teams and ideal for teams who want effective internal communication without the complexity or cost. One of Pumble's biggest selling points is that it doesn't put limits on your teamwork, even if you're on the free plan. You can have as many people as you want in your workspace for free, and there's unlimited message history. All your conversations and files stay accessible, no matter how long ago they were shared. That's a rarity among chat apps. For example, Slack's free version only lets you see the last 90 days of messages or so, which can really cut you off from older info. Paid pricing plans are also affordable compared to other solutions, starting at $2.49 per employee per month. If this sounds like the right solution for you, below this video is a link to the Pumble free plan along with a free 30-minute tailored onboarding session to help you get started. Second, Flowlu. Flowlu is an all-in-one cloud-based business management platform that helps you bring every part of your workflow into one place. It's built to make life easier for entrepreneurs, small businesses, and teams across all kinds of industries, whether you're in marketing, consulting, IT, legal, construction, or anything in between. Instead of bouncing between a dozen different apps to manage tasks, projects, sales, or finances, Flowlu gives you a clean, centralized workspace where everything connects and makes sense. You can manage projects, track tasks, collaborate with your team, and even handle your CRM and finances without leaving the platform. Everything's designed to work together so you can focus more on getting work done and less on switching tabs. Flowlu makes team communication smooth and natural. You've got built-in chat for quick one-on-one conversations, and you can easily send messages, forward them, reply, or even edit them if something changes. You can attach files, drop emojis, or even create tasks straight from the chat. When you need more space to focus, just pop the chat into a separate window. For team-wide communication, group chats keep everyone in the loop, and every project comes with its own chat tab so you can keep discussions organized and tied directly to the work at hand. If you work with specific teams or departments, the Groups feature gives you a dedicated space where you can assign tasks, create notes, manage files, and organize projects specific to that group. It's like a custom workspace for every team inside your business. There's also a central feed where you can post announcements, celebrate wins, or share updates. Teammates can like or comment on posts, and you can choose exactly who sees what by limiting visibility to certain groups. For deeper collaboration, you can leave comments directly on tasks, projects, or documents and tag teammates using mentions so they get notified right away. And if you need a response quickly, there's a request a response feature that prompts the person to reply, making sure nothing falls through the cracks. You can even keep track of all your sent and received requests right from your notifications. With the Flowlu mobile app, you stay connected on the go. All of these features, chat, project updates, task notifications, are available on your phone, so you're never out of touch, even when you're away from your desk. Flowlu is a great fit if you're looking for a flexible, easy-to-use platform that combines project management, communication, and business operations into one tool. They offer a free plan that includes up to 2 users and provides access to essential features like project and task management, CRM, invoicing, and a basic knowledge base. The paid plans start at $39 per month. Below this video is a link to the Flowlu free plan and a 14-day free trial for all paid plans with no credit card required. Third, RingCentral. RingCentral is an all-in-one communication platform designed to help teams stay connected and productive no matter where they are. It works really well for small businesses, but is flexible enough to scale with larger teams too. You get instant messaging, video calling, file sharing, task management, and scheduling all in one place, so you don't have to jump between different apps to get work done. The instant messaging feature feels smooth and responsive across all devices, Mac, PC, iOS, and Android, so your team can stay in touch from the office, at home, or on the go. Starting a video call only takes a click, and once you're in, you can share your screen, take notes directly on the screen, and make sure everyone's on the same page. It's perfect for both casual, one-on-one check-ins and formal team meetings. The RingCentral desktop app gives you a clear layout where you can manage all your conversations, organize teams into folders, and favorite the people you talk to the most. Inside each conversation, you can attach files, write detailed messages using a full text editor, and escalate to a video call whenever needed. The app also syncs with your Google or Outlook calendar, so scheduling meetings is simple, whether you're doing it from within the app or your email. You can access meeting recordings later, view full transcripts, and even get AI-generated summaries and highlights to quickly catch up on what matters most. The platform tracks all your phone activity too. You can review recent calls, voicemails, and recordings, respond instantly, or even use presence indicators to check if a colleague is available. One of the standout features is its AI capabilities. RingCentral can provide real-time insights during calls and meetings, helping you stay informed and make decisions faster. If your team uses tools like Microsoft Teams, Google Workspace, or Slack, RingCentral integrates smoothly with them, making it easier to schedule and start calls directly from those platforms. Whether you're answering calls, forwarding them, or jumping into a video meeting from your mobile device, the experience is seamless. You can even switch a call from your desktop to your phone and back without dropping the connection. And because RingCentral supports voice, SMS, and even fax from every extension, you have all the communication tools you need built into one system. Connecteam. Connecteam is an all-in-one employee management app designed to help you communicate, train, and manage your deskless workforce right from their mobile devices. If your team is constantly on the move or spread across different locations, staying aligned in real time is crucial, and that's exactly what Connecteam makes easy. Its communication hub brings everything together in one place, so you're not juggling multiple apps just to check in with your team or send out updates. One of the standout features is the built-in chat, which keeps work conversations professional and organized. Unlike personal messaging apps, Connecteam's chat is designed specifically for business use. You can start group chats to quickly sort out shift changes or post updates with photos and documents so everyone stays informed. For more private conversations, you can easily switch to one-on-one messages, which is great for offering feedback or handling sensitive matters. Because everything stays on a dedicated platform, your team can maintain a clear boundary between work and personal life. Connecteam also makes it super simple to keep everyone updated. You can post company-wide announcements, shift changes, or policy updates straight to your company feed. These posts show up instantly, and team members can react or comment right away. You even get to see who's read your message, and you can keep important posts pinned to the top until everyone's seen them. This makes it easier to make sure nothing slips through the cracks. When you need to collect structured information, the Digital Forms feature lets you create custom forms that employees can fill out on their phones. Whether it's for a daily safety checklist, a maintenance report, or customer feedback, these forms help cut down on paperwork and keep operations moving smoothly. Once submitted, they're stored and accessible in real time, so you're not waiting on anyone to hand in forms at the end of the day. To top it off, Connecteam has an internal help desk where employees can submit questions, report issues, or ask for support. It's a ticketing system that keeps everything organized and makes sure that no request gets lost. This helps employees feel supported while freeing up managers to focus on solving problems rather than chasing down information. Connecteam is particularly well suited for businesses with non-desk employees, such as those in construction, cleaning services, field services, food and beverage, home care, manufacturing, and retail industries. It's designed to keep your entire workforce informed and engaged no matter where they're working. While it offers a range of features, it remains budget-friendly. The paid plan starts at $29 per month for up to 30 users. Connecteam offers our audience a free plan for businesses with fewer than 10 users, so make sure to check out the link below this video. Zoho Cliq is a team communication app designed to help you stay connected and organized at work. It brings together messaging, video calls, task management, and integrations with other tools, all in one place. When you use Cliq, you can chat one-on-one or in groups, create channels for different teams or projects, and even start threads to keep conversations focused. The interface is clean and lets you view multiple chats side by side, so you can easily switch between discussions without losing track. Cliq also supports audio and video calls, screen sharing, and a feature called Prime Time that lets you broadcast a one-way video stream, great for company-wide announcements or virtual town halls. You can schedule meetings, set reminders, and manage tasks directly from your chat window. One of the best things about Cliq is how well it integrates with other Zoho apps like CRM, projects, and mail, as well as third-party tools like Google Drive, Trello, and Dropbox. This means you can pull in data, share files, and automate workflows without jumping between apps. If you're working with people outside your company, Cliq lets you invite guests or create external channels, so you can collaborate with clients or vendors while keeping your internal data secure. It's also available on desktop and mobile, so you can stay in touch whether you're at your desk or on the go. However, some users report performance issues, such as messages failing to send, chats not loading properly, and delays in status updates. These problems can disrupt communication and workflow. Additionally, the user interface, particularly on mobile devices, has been criticized for being less intuitive and lacking certain features compared to the desktop version. This can lead to a less seamless user experience across different platforms. But overall, Cliq is a solid choice if you're part of a small business, a growing team, or a larger company already using Zoho products. They offer a quite generous free plan that includes unlimited users, 10,000 searchable messages per organization, 100 gigabytes of file storage, and support for up to 100 participants per channel. It also provides features like user provisioning, Google and SAML-based single sign-on, screen sharing, remote work tools, and read receipts. For teams requiring more advanced features, the standard plan is available at $1 per user per month. So these are the best employee communication tools available in the market. We hope this list will help you choose the right software for your business. If you are undecided about which tool to choose, in the video descriptions you'll find free trials and the latest discounts to all of these platforms, so I highly recommend checking them out and doing your own research to see which platform suits your needs best. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.